Yes, please.
Jazakallah khairan, Sheikh Sahib.
Yeah.
My question is, what is the importance of Ghar Hira, which is present in Jabal Noor, in the light of Quran? And there are so many related stories according to this. So, are these all fake or what?
You listened. I told you the whole lecture. What is the importance of Jabal Noor?
No, I am asking about Ghar Hira.
So it is that Jabal Noor, the mount of light, mountain of light, has that small jarira facing Kaaba. So people go and pray.
Only people go and pray there.
Yeah, everybody.
And nothing else.
No, everybody.
Because there are so many fake
I will
stories
explain to
related
you.
to
Now, I will
this.
explain to you. If you go to Saudi Makkah and you reach there where the people are starting and walking up the mountain, there are signboards which says you don't have to go up, and people are saying loudly, it's not a religious duty to climb the mountain. We are telling you, but it is written there in English, in Urdu, and Arabic. It's not a part of Hajj to go up. But you see, you will be surprised. Every people, nationality I've seen climbing the mountain, going up, and they pray there and they come back early in the morning. And there are lots of people, lots of people. So what I am saying is, what you were saying about the history, if Allah says, if the Quran was revealed on a mountain, it would have burst out. So that's the ayat I already told you. But identification, which I today identified, may be identified back in times as well. In all times. It never changed. Allah's sunnah does not change. So that identification can be in the past, present, and the future. But you can't say that the Quran was revealed on a mountain.
Thank you.
Okay?